Friends are the most essential and important part of life. They bring a lot of happiness in our lives, and we all have had a lot of happy moments and sweet memories with our friends. Life without friends is nothing but a body without a soul. Friends are not only our companions, they are the ones who love us, who care for us, and who always wish the best for us. They are our complete strength. We may ignore them sometimes due to work pressures, but our ignorance would never change their feelings for us. They always love us, though we make them sad sometimes by our actions. Nothing in this world can separate two true friends. A friend cannot ever see his mate being sad. He is always ready to sacrifice anything for his friend's happiness. He is ready to do anything to make his friend happy, just to put a smile upon our face. There are a lot of qualities which make our friends the best people we have ever met in our lives. But the definition of the word friend has changed considerably a lot from the olden times to the present world. All the qualities which I have discussed till now are actually the qualities of a true best friend who loves his fellow mates wholeheartedly. Such friends were common in the good olden days, but now in this present world, it has become very hard to decide between a true friend and just a friend. It has become really hard to find out a person who loves our presence wholeheartedly, not only by words or description. This friendship day, let's dive in and try to find out the qualities of a true best friend. Such friends are rare, but today let's try to find them out. So let's start our video without further delay. This is Shashank and welcome to my channel Study Buddy. Friendship is one of the most beautiful bondings ever in a person's lifetime. We may lose money, we may lose our assets, we may lose everything, but we can never afford leaving a good friend. A friend is the only person who loves us the way we are. Friendship is the greatest bond a person can ever wish for. The love of a true friend cannot be lost. It is the most important asset in a human being's life. Besides the care and love shown by our friends, there are also kinds of friends. Most friends just stay with us when we are particularly in a strong and powerful position. Most of the friends stay with us only when we are going good in life, but not when we struggle. When our life starts posing troubles, such friends are nowhere around in sight, though they have a sufficient chance to help us. Though they have the chance to help us, they just do not want to care about us. These friends are just called friends, but their friendship never feels real. They talk to us only when they are in need, but they are nowhere around when a good friend is struggling in life. The friends who stick around with us when we are strong enough in life and leave us when we are not particularly strong are not the actual friends. When someone doesn't care about us, it is clearly evident that he or she is not at all responsible about us. Such friends are actually fake. Some of such friends may be toxic and dangerous for our future, and probably they are jealous of each and everything we achieve, even in the smallest achievement. Such people always try to harm us in one or the other way. These do not actually love and care for us. They just act so, but are never really friendly. Their love and friendship thus never feels real. It's all artificial. But the friends who stick with us when we are passing through the struggling phase of life are the real ones. A friend in need is a friend indeed. This is a quote we have heard 100 times before. But do we actually know the meaning of this statement? It actually means that a friend who helps us in our needy is the best friend, one that cannot be lost. This statement itself sums up the whole concept of friendship. A friend who is always with us throughout our lifetime and who is always there to sacrifice anything for our happiness is the best, the most reliable, and the most friendly person we have ever met in our life. We cannot afford losing such friends because they are the most precious and the most valuable ever. Money might bring us everything except the love shown by such friends and family. Though we ignore them due to our work pressures, their feelings towards us would never vary. They always wish the best for us. They always guide us through our mistakes towards success. Such friends are completely different when compared to the toxic and fake friends. Fake friends just stay with us to fulfill their needs from us and leave us as soon as they think their need is fulfilled, while real and true friends are always with us. For example, good friends are those who call you immediately after you win a contest, congratulating you wholeheartedly and cracking funny jokes. The unreal ones are those who might call you and congratulate you, but are never happy about your success and development. Thus, we should be very careful while selecting a friend. But true friends are very precious. Never allow any negative feelings towards them to enter your heart. They are very special. Do not lose them.